this video is all about showing that the expression on the left hand side, the trigonometric expression on the left hand side, is equal to the trigonometric expression on the right hand side. So now what we're going to do is that we're going to use the left hand side expression to also prove that that value is the same with that of the right hand side. So now what we're going to do is that the left hand side is equal to cos cube x minus sine cube x, then plus sine cube x divided by cos x plus sine x. So now for us to be able to simplify this further, now let's divide cos x raised to power 3 plus sine x raised to power 3 by cos x plus sine x. Now let's begin. So now we'll now say cos x plus sine x. Now divide by cos cube x plus sine cube x. Now what we're going to do is we use this cos x to divide this one here, always the first term. So cos x divided by cos x cube, you have cos square x. So this cos, we use now this cos square x to multiply these terms here. So cos square x multiplied by cos x, you have cos cube x, then plus cos square x times sine x, you have sine x cos square x divided by, so now we now say minus. So if you put your minus here, the minus will cancel out this, then you have minus sine x cos square x plus the sine cube x. Now if we now use this cos x to divide this, you have minus sine x cos x. So using this minus sine x cos x to multiply cos x, you have minus sine x cos square x. Then use this same value to multiply this, you have minus sine square x cos x. Now you now subtract. If you subtract, these are the same, they will cancel out. Then here it becomes sine, becomes plus, because minus times minus is plus. So sine square x cos x plus sine cube x. Now use this cos x to divide this. You have plus sine square x. So sine square x times cos x, you have sine square x cos x. Then this sine square x times this, you have plus sine cube x. So now if you subtract, you see this will cancel out, this will cancel out, you have 0. So that means we haven't divided with this is what we get. So then since it's 0, it means that this is equal to, this expression is equal to this times this. So now we'll now say cos cube x plus sine cube x is equal to cos x plus sine x, bracket open, cos square x minus sine x cos x plus sine square x. So this is equal to b. So now it now implies that cos cube x plus sine cube x divided by cos x plus sine x is equal to cos x plus sine x. That is, we replace this expression with this one. So cos square x minus sine x cos x plus sine square x divided by cos x plus sine x. So if you see cos x plus sine x is common to both the denominator and the numerator, so we'll cancel it out. So now we are left with cos square x minus sine x cos x plus sine square x. So bringing this to this side, you have cos square x plus sine square x minus sine x cos x. Now, since from the trigonometric identity that we know that cos square x plus sine square x is equal to 1, so anywhere we see cos square x plus sine square x will put 1 there. So that means, that means it now implies that cos square x plus sine square x divided by cos x plus sine x is equal to cos square x plus sine square x minus sine x cos x. So since this is equal to 1, you now have 1 minus sine x cos x. So this is the final answer, which is the same thing as the right hand side. Which is the same thing as the right hand side. Look at it, the same as the right hand expression. So this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching to the end. Have a nice day.